Trade tensions with China are slowing down the pace of deals with Chinese buyers. Leslie Picker's got more on this story. Hi, Leslie.
Hey, Melissa, that's right. Just 2 years ago, the Chinese were driving much of the M&A activity in the U.S. These days, Chinese buyers of U.S. assets are few and far between. In the first 9 months of the year, the Chinese have announced $5.8 billion worth of deals. That's 1/5 the value announced during the same period in 2016 and about half the amount as last year. The number of such deals signed in the third quarter, just 14, is the fewest of any 3-month period going all the way back to 2013. So what's going on here? Well, sources I've spoken with that advise on deals say that deal talks between Chinese and American companies have essentially slowed to a halt. Deals have become casualties in the ongoing trade tensions between the U.S. and Beijing. Both China and the U.S. have blocked multi-billion-dollar deals in recent months, and the Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States, or CFIUS, which approves and blocks such deals, has been granted expanded powers as of mid-August, and the Chinese have really cracked down on their indebted conglomerates looking to borrow more to fund transactions overseas, including those in the U.S. Now, this type of regulatory pressure is likely to continue steering companies away from inking these types of cross-border deals, at least in the way that they were back in 2016, guys.
Are we seeing a pickup in cross-border deals between China and, say, Europe?
We are. And another interesting thing is China's dialogue has been such to the rest of the world that, we're the ones who are open to these types of investments. We're the ones who are open. The U.S. is the one that's kind of being more protective and blocking these types of deals. So that's another kind of interesting dynamic, that it isn't necessarily a two-way street. China, which of course does have a lot of restrictions when it comes to foreign direct investment, still their dialogue, at least to the outside, has been, we're completely open for business
Yep.
these days, despite this trade war that's going on.